Good morning, happy homeowner. Brian Adams here. Danielle, where you at? Back over here in Laguna Beach. We were here 2 years ago. Let me turn this around so you can see this beautiful view. Look at that. Woo! But original hardwood floors. Say hello, Danielle. And already got started. Look at the difference. I wasn't even sure if these pet stains were going to come out. But it looks like so far they're doing pretty good. By the time we get finished, it'll be a lightish medium brown like downstairs. So today we'll just do this room. We're gonna put a reducer here where it meets up with the tile. We've got the oak base shoe. It's gonna be stained to match the floor all the way around. We just cut the carpet so we can flow all the way out, get that finished. And then a couple of weeks, maybe another month, we'll do these steps. This hallway and this room. It's had layers of vinyl and linoleum. So all of it will have to be scraped up, and then that black paper will be left behind, and that'll be sanded off. We're going to lace this in today with some of the old wood that he saved. Emilio! Looking good. Man, to save this thing is going to be crazy. We've done it before. It's just a lot of work. A lot of work. Look at that. All right, stay tuned. Small little bedroom will be done today.